This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
So, um, just say okay. I will show you the whole algorithm. So, you go to design, custom CSS, and then you just let's say you want the whole website to to you just want to exclude all the hyphenation, all the hyphens on your web page in mobile version, right? Only mobile. So then just do something like this: media, I don't know, max width. Let's say like this, then like body and hyphen none. You just hit save, and that's it. So all the devices with the screen width less than 420 won't be hyphenated. An important property as well should be added, like this. Again, thank you for being with us. Just follow the steps.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.